guys, it's Destiny today. I just want to give a shout out first to Eleni. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. She will text me later if she does. I just want to give a shout out to her. She's a very good, loving, caring friend, and I really miss her. She's in New Jersey, and I just really miss hanging out with her and things. So that will be a surprise to her, me talking about her. So yeah, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first slime, this is a squishy and slime collection. This has to be really fast, so I don't think my phone has much storage. But I have this slime. This is Eleni. I texted Eleni earlier saying that I was playing with slime, and this is the slime I was playing with Eleni. It is a pink slime. It's not the stretchiest slime. I've had way stretchier slime. I have no idea where my butter slime went. Maybe under my bed because of my cat. It's like the clickiest slime ever. Super clicky. Super good. So yeah, I will be giving a shout out. That was her shout out. I don't really have anyone else to shout out except Faith Fritz. She is my other best friend. And yeah,